It's T Bizzle, Passport Action. Today we live in Rio de Janeiro, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my apartment that I got off Airbnb. This is actually the first time I've been able to use Airbnb. Some of you may know how and why or whatever, but this is the first time I actually booked and stayed in an Airbnb on my own. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how this one looks. I'm currently in Copacabana around Postal 5, and this is what we looking like. So yeah, man, as you see, it's kind of modern in here. I got a nice little stove, 4-pilot stove, sink. Got a little oven. I mean, it's smaller than it probably looks. All this stuff is small, and I'm not used to I'm not used to staying in those small apartments for a long duration, so it's just new to me, but if I'm gonna be traveling, I gotta get used to it. But this is very modern. Look at this microwave. Nice modern microwave. Looks nice, man. What's this, a coffee maker or something? I guess that's what that is. I got this refrigerator is nice though. I guess this is the freezer. And here goes the fridge. How you open it? If I could open it, I don't know how to open it. I guess. Okay, yeah, that's how you open it. I already got some waters in there. I had a Pepsi earlier, but man, it's nice. It's real nice. Drawers, modern trash can, couch. I got a table. Got some hammock and an extra bed. That's the remote for the AC. You got a bracket for a TV, but I seen this TV in the closet. I don't know if someone broke it last time or what. Downstairs, you can see I got like a view of Copacabana. The beach is that way. But yeah, you got a hammock. A little area right here you can sit at and probably eat or something. The bathroom is a lot smaller than I normally would prefer, but it got hot water. The overhead shower. Sink. Let me take y'all to the bedroom. In the bedroom, I got it got some TV. I got internet. It's faster than the hotel I was staying at. Man, let me tell y'all about this. I left my charger at home. I left my charger for my laptop at home. And I don't have a normal laptop. As you see, it's all colorful and stuff. For me to process videos, you need something fast. So my charger is not normal. And man, I had the hardest time finding one. I'll probably do a video about it, but I just thought I'd just share that right now. But as you can tell, I'm putting out videos, so I did find a charger for it. But here goes the bed. Out this window again, you got a little view. AC, they got ACs all over. I mean, it's not bad at all. Here goes a big closet area. There's a lot of space, as you can see. I'm using my my cord to plug up my my phone and my portable charger that I use. I'll put a link in the description if y'all already haven't seen my video about stuff you need to bring. They don't have any power cords for American stuff in this apartment, so I definitely needed this. If I didn't have this, I wouldn't be charging nothing right now. And I also put the link in the description for this power supply. This is the biggest power supply that you're able to bring on a plane that'll give you enough juice to, power all your items on the go. I normally is carrying this with me, but it's dead right now. You see it's on 1 star, so I'm at the beginning stage of charging it. But that's basically it. I'm out here. I was staying at a hotel when I first got here, like I normally do. I normally stay at like hotels and stuff like that. But we're gonna do it different this trip. We're gonna definitely do it different this trip, and stay tuned. I'm gonna be dropping a lot more videos. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, etc. Any comments, questions you may have, drop those, and I'll be sure to try to answer all of them. Until next time, Passport Action. Peace out.